Welcome to my channel, Chemistry Class. My dear student, I hope you're doing well. So, in the previous lecture, we studied the lipid introductions, and today we are going to study another very important topic, which is classifications of lipids. So, let's understand them step by step. Classification of lipids. Lipids are classified into different groups based on their structure and compositions. So let's discuss different groups of lipids based on their structure and composition one by one. Main classification of lipids. Lipids are divided into three main classes. First one, simple lipids. Second one, compounds, mean complex lipids. Third one, derived lipids. So let's discuss each one in detail. First one, simple lipids. Simple lipids are esters of fatty acids plus alcohols, mean usually glycerol. Examples, fats and oils formed from glycerol plus three fatty acids. They are also called triglycerides. Reaction, C3H5 into H whole taken 3 plus 3 or band C double OH gap C3H5 into double O C bond or whole taken 3 plus 3H2O. Mean fats or solid at room temperature, whilst idle or liquid at room temperatures. Waxes formed from fatty acid plus long chain alcohols. Example, beeswax. Second one, compounds or complex lipids. These lipids contain additional groups besides fatty acids and alcohol. Means phospholipids contain fatty acids, glycerols, also phosphate groups function, they form the cell membrane. And second one, glycolipids contain fatty acids, carbohydrate group function important in brain and nerve tissues. Third one, derived lipids. These are substances formed from hydrolysis of simple and compound lipids. Example, fatty acids, glycerols, steroids, cholesterol. These are not true fats but are related to lipids. Important points for exam: triglycerides are simple lipids, phospholipids form cell membrane, steroids like cholesterol are derived lipids. So, my dear student, this is all about today's lectures on classification of lipids. I hope you understand. So, if this lecture will help you, then don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel for more chemistry lectures, and share it with your friends. Comments your question below. Take care and see you in the next class, in which we will discuss fatty acids and details. Inshallah. Thank you for listening.